I want to be Moonlight again. Hi, Ginger. Hi, baby. Sweet girl. Bridget, come here. Bridget. I was going to show you guys Bridget's vest. I wasn't talking to you, Ginger. No, I wasn't talking to you. Give me a hug. Bridget! Bridget! Come here! Come here! Are you using the restroom? Huh? I'll give you a treat. Come on. Come here. Hold on. Bridget. You. Come here. Let's show her one your best. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. She got her vest on. Yeah. Oh, my good girls. Yeah. Yes, good girl. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Bridget. Bridget. Not you, Ginger. Bridget. She's got her vest on. Proud girl. I don't know if y'all guys can see or not. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. There's my two girls. Yeah. Good girl, Ginger. Yeah, good girl, Bridget. Yeah. You got your vest on. Yes, you do. Yeah. She's still in training, so... Oh my goodness, I hope training goes well for her and for me. But I love this girls. Yeah, I love my girls. I love you. Bridget, you got your vest on? Yeah. My proud girl. But I will be doing more videos, like training videos with Bridget. So I hope you guys will enjoy that. And Ginger is a little bit jealous right now. Someone's taking a little nap. Hey girls! Chewing on her French. I'm gonna take that away from her. She's still a puppy. She's only 5 months old right now. So she's got a long way to go with her training. Yeah. Hey, my girls! I'll get your guys your treats. Yeah. Well, that's not a friend, that's her treat. Oh well, sure got a treat. But I'll give her another one anyway. But how many of you guys have service dogs? And tell me your story, and I'll tell my story pretty soon when I get my next video up. Okay? I will see you guys next time in my journey. So. Alright, you guys. Lesson B. Ginger, you want to say goodbye? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're my good girl. Yeah, I love you too. I can't believe you're growing up. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.